Anyway, just gonna tie up my bed. That's done. Good morning, guys. Now look at this view. Beautiful morning view. Sun just rising. Damn. Beautiful morning. Hey guys, we're in the bus right now. Making ourselves to the, I think it's the old town, Benidorm. Here to see this place's town. Let's see what it looks like. Hey, I keep looking at the screen. We're walking, guys. We're getting close to the beach now, man. Man, this location looks something else. It's lit. Lit. I'm making my way to the beach now. Beach.
Can I stay here?
With you want to, oh guys, just look at this place, man. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, so you can see we made it here, man. I was thinking we were gonna make it here the other day, but if you see where we came from, man, you see this black building over here, the black building there, right? So that's like our hotel, man. So walking from all the way down here to, here, nah, man, that's not happening. We stay lit. Daisy, hey. Daisy just be like,
I'm hungry.
this is Daisy be like,
I'm hungry, yo.
this is Daisy dance.
I'm hungry.
Fish. Damn guys, see the Japan guy. Look at how nice his face. His face is nice. Put some churros now. Hey, churros. Some crazy outgoing throughout yeah. Hey guys, if you've never tried the ice cream that's lit, right? I'm promoting this place, man. If you're in Spain, right? Come to Hela de Rey Chocolate.
It's called Bolognese.
Yeah, Bolognese. Did I get that right?
Bolognese.
Bolognese. Is that right?
Where is it?
Here in Spain, Benidorm. You know it. How can I forget that? Come to this place, guys, because this ice cream is lit. Oh yeah. Got it.